So I have a confession, guys. I honestly didn't think we were ever gonna get to the carpet. Day 5. Let's do it. Finally, we can actually pull this stuff off the ground.
Backed up to a makeshift sign that reads to cruise
It's got termination on it.
nothing will grow. Bury your face in your hands. Let it all go. The weather passes by. Says I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. They have heard 1,000 times. The weather passes by. Says I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. They reply. So am I, so am I.
Check out these subfloors. Perfect. Completely solid, not even any watermarks. Sorry about that. Battery died, it got very, very dusty. Here we go, let's get back into it. Just be super careful. This thing is filled with nails. So before we continue further, I want to introduce you to somebody.
Expecting parents, still expecting more than two when they go home. When the passerby says I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. They have heard 1,000 times. When the passerby says I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. They reply. So am I, so am I.
So finally did it. Got all the way down to the subfloor. I honestly didn't think it was ever going to get there. Day 5, and mind you, not continuous day 5s because we have other things going on in the world, like family life and all that. So got everything back in Chappie right now. I am beyond belief so happy how great these subfloors are. They literally look almost brand new. So no subfloors, which means the project's going to speed up a lot quicker than what I thought it was going to be. So super excited for that. Stay tuned for some more other things we got going on. I have to tear out some electrical components, remove all of the old plumbing, and then tinker around with the furnace. Because I found so many mice in that area, I guarantee there's some corpses still in that furnace. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. Thanks for following. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see ya. Thanks.